and welcome to Yoga for Fitness. And this is Jaya again. Today's session will be opening up your spine. So if you want more energy in you, and if you want to increase your energy and your flexibility, and if you don't want any issues related with your spine, so definitely these poses are very helpful, and these are beginners level poses, so you can start practicing them and go very slowly, and do some warm-up exercises like cat and cow stretches, and then you can start with these poses. So let's start. Now come to tabletop position. Inhale, raise your left hand up. Exhale, go down. Keep your navel in. Now repeat the same procedure with your right hand up. So inhale, raise your right hand up, and while exhaling you have to come down. Again, keep your navel intact. We can start with some cat and cow stretches here. So inhale, raise your head up, and exhale, go down. Inhale, raise your head up, and while exhaling, put your chin to the chest. Then raise your right leg up in tabletop position, and then repeat the same procedure with your left leg. Now these are the stretches for the back bending. Come to plank. Inhale, raise your head up for cobra pose. Then come to downward facing dog. And then this we are preparing for the Ushtrasana. Now these are the drills. While inhaling, you have to go backwards as much as possible, keeping your navel very intact. Then rest in child pose. Now you can do Ushtrasana, keeping both your hands backwards while inhaling. So inhale and put your both hands back, touch to your feet. Try to push your body in front as much as possible. Now we are preparing for the wheel pose, which is very good for back bending. You can do bridge pose also before doing wheel pose, or you can just Be in this position for some time. Inhale, come up slowly and try to raise your head up. Try to push your body towards your hands, not towards your legs. This will give you stability in this pose. Keep inhaling and exhaling. While exhaling, you have to come down. Since you have done a back bend, so you can do a counter pose, that is Pavan Muktasan, while inhaling and exhaling for some time.